Data-driven product decision-making, product management in Agile development environments. Introduction. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on product management in Agile development environments. In today's fast-paced and dynamic world, Agile methodologies have become prevalent in product management. In this tutorial, we will explore the role of a product manager in an Agile development environment. We'll discuss techniques for backlog grooming, sprint planning, product backlog prioritization, and managing continuous delivery. Additionally, we'll share insights on effective collaboration with development teams and achieving product success within Agile frameworks. Section 1: Understanding Agile development and the product manager's role. Provide an overview of Agile development principles, emphasizing iterative and incremental development. Explain the role of a product manager in an Agile team, highlighting their responsibilities in driving product vision, defining requirements, and ensuring customer value. Section 2: Backlog grooming. Define backlog grooming and its importance in Agile product management. Discuss techniques for conducting effective backlog grooming sessions, such as refining user stories, estimating effort, and prioritizing backlog items. Share tips for collaborating with development teams to ensure a well-groomed and refined backlog. Section 3: Sprint planning. Explain the purpose and process of sprint planning in Agile development. Discuss techniques for prioritizing backlog items for inclusion in a sprint, considering factors such as business value, dependencies, and development capacity. Share best practices for breaking down user stories into smaller, actionable tasks for the development team. Section 4: Product backlog prioritization. Explore methodologies for prioritizing the product backlog, such as Moscow, must-have, should-have, could-have, want-have, or value versus effort analysis. Discuss the importance of aligning backlog prioritization with the product vision, customer needs, and business goals. Share strategies for incorporating customer feedback, market insights, and data analysis into the prioritization process. Section 5: Managing continuous delivery. Explain the concept of continuous delivery in Agile development, focusing on the importance of frequent and incremental product releases. Discuss techniques for managing and coordinating the delivery of product increments, ensuring that customer value is delivered at regular intervals. Share insights on working closely with development teams, QA teams, and stakeholders to maintain a smooth and efficient continuous delivery process. Section 6: Effective collaboration with development teams. Highlight the significance of collaboration between product managers and development teams in Agile environments. Discuss strategies for fostering effective communication, trust, and collaboration with development teams. Explore techniques such as daily stand-ups, sprint reviews, and retrospectives to promote transparency, alignment, and continuous improvement. Section 7: Achieving product success in Agile frameworks. Share insights on how product managers can contribute to achieving product success within Agile frameworks. Discuss the importance of data-driven decision-making, user feedback, and iteration in driving product improvements. Highlight the need for adaptability, flexibility, and responsiveness to market changes and customer needs. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have completed this comprehensive tutorial on product management in Agile development environments. By understanding the role of a product manager in an Agile team and implementing techniques for backlog grooming, sprint planning, product backlog prioritization, and managing continuous delivery, you are well equipped to drive product success within Agile frameworks. Remember to foster effective collaboration with development teams, embrace data-driven decision-making, and iterate on your product strategy based on customer feedback and market insights. Best of luck in your product management journey in Agile environments.